So right now, you might be forced to work from home. Not going so well? You are definitely not alone. Most people are not used to it and do not have the setup for it. So what to do? Well, start with finding a routine and stick to it. Get up at the same time every morning. Make your bed. Get dressed and get ready. No PJs. Something happens in our brain when we get dressed for work. Something switches from like home mode to work mode. Bring home as much as you can from your office to make it more like work at home. Maybe your office chair, the large computer screen, and the separate keyboard, etc. Set up a designated station in your home. If all that's available is the kitchen table, then get a nice box with a lid where you, at the end of the workday, put away your work stuff and then put the box under the table. Put up a sign telling other people in the household that you are at work. Get that separation. Identify what tasks need to be done and then schedule in those in your calendar. Then add in time for breaks, lunch, some fresh air and movement, when the kids come home from school or need help with their homework, etc. It is so easy to just keep working without the regular day-to-day routines of the office. Also make sure to keep in touch with your colleagues and bosses, preferably over video. And that's both for meetings and for lunch breaks to get that social part in. Do not do any household chores during your workday. You are not getting paid to do laundry and vacuuming. And make sure that this is also clearly communicated to the rest of the household. And then finally, give yourself a clear signal when the workday is over. Set the timer, take a walk, and put on some comfortable clothes. This is a trying time, but it will pass. And working from home doesn't have to be horrible if you just do some planning. So see you on the other side.